the chairperson and the team from the Uganda National Examination Board, the media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my sincere pleasure today to release the results of the Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education, the third examination that Uganda National Examination Board administers annually. UNEB reported that the process went smoothly, similar to the previous two exams whose results we had already made public. This gives us all reason to express our gratitude to the Lord for his faithfulness indeed, since today's release commemorates a total number of 1,208,351,000 of our young people who have completed all the three levels of our basic and secondary education cycle. I am pleased to note that the inexplicable decline in candidature, which we have been observing before, has been reversed with a very significant increase of over 12,000 candidates this year, or at least last year's exams. This is the way it ought to be, since we are witnessing a steady increase in candidature at the lower levels, which should translate into an increase at this level also. Notably, both UNEB chairperson and the executive director's reports indicate that science and mathematics entries have also increased. Although we are not where we want to be exactly, at least we are moving, and we pray that we will get to where we want to be. This is a positive development because, as I stated previously, having more learners taking sciences at this level will provide the desired pool of candidates to take science-based courses at the university and tertiary levels. Without prejudice to other disciplines, it should be appreciated that science and mathematics are crucial in propelling development in industry, medicine, and related fields, as Mr. Dong reported. I'm also pleased to note an improvement in biology at the Uace, as well as a marked rise in principal passes at this level. This is commendable. In the past, this important science subject had not been done well for whatever reasons. My hope is that by addressing the areas of concern that UNEB publishes annually, this improvement will be sustained. It is now my hope and prayer that the head teachers and teachers take seriously the feedback from UNEB, as you heard Mr. Odong request to our teachers. In order to sustain these gains, we need to see more commitment from our teachers, really. Please be there for your learners and ensure you provide them with both the theory and the practical skills they need to learn. Please remember that teaching is a calling, and its rewards and joy are in the success of your learners. I urge the head teachers to provide good leadership because this will enable us to sustain the positive results we have realized this year. Once more, I'm pleased with the girls' performance. According to UNEB's statistics, they have outperformed their male counterparts, and I didn't hear any applause for the girls today. Indeed, this demonstrates that girls have potential but gender stereotypes most likely prevent them from realizing their abilities. Therefore, our system must figure out ways of enabling and empowering the girls to realize their full potential. I thank the board for adjusting the timetable for the transitional examination as I guided last time. This should give adequate time for the registration of our young people who would wish to take advantage of this opportunity. Please note that the government will support those learners who had been under the Uace program, as I said during the occasion of the UCE examination results release. Also to be noted further is that this is a one-off examination, meaning that it will not be done again, as I explained last time. We are grateful to God for the positive UACE results. As we all expect, many of our students will be pursuing university education, as is the culture in our country. But while this aspiration is commendable, there are many equally rewarding, as you heard from Professor Boer, opportunities. There are many rewarding opportunities in other tertiary institutions, such as our technical training colleges and health training institutions, that I would urge our young people to consider for applying to go to. I encourage those of you who have not performed to your expectations not to despair again or give up, as you heard those who spoke before me try to encourage you. There is always another opportunity, so please keep yourselves safe and healthy so that you can pursue alternate possibilities. In conclusion, I congratulate the board and the staff of UNEB on yet another outstanding performance, and I want you to give them a big applause, really. I'm also grateful to all of our teams and stakeholders who have worked tirelessly to ensure the success of the entire 2023 examination period. It is now my singular honor and pleasure to release the results of the 2023 Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education for the public use. I thank you, and God bless you all. This is it again. To the pride of UNEB and the Ministry of Education and Sports, to our God, all the glory and honor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mama, for first of all inviting us here and hosting us to this great event, but also for the great address to the nation. Mama, we join Honorable Muyinga